It's Saturday the 10th of December 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a nutshell. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts. Now, Universal Orlando have officially announced Villain-Con Minion Blast, the new stand-through attraction that's coming to the park to replace Shrek 4D. They've also announced that Monsters Cafe, which closed earlier in the year, is being replaced by a Minions Cafe, creating a Minion Mini-Land. The Minions Land is going to form part of Illumination's Avenue, and all of these new additions are going to open for summer of 2023. Disney have announced that the Destination D23 event will return to Walt Disney World September of next year on September 8th through to September 10th. The opening of the Leviathan roller coaster at SeaWorld in Australia has been plagued with teething issues this week, including one day where for the entire day the whole new Atlantis precinct, including the old rides, had to be closed. Shanghai Disneyland has closed yet again due to COVID outbreaks in the area. Disney World is going to cross-promote the new Avatar movie in Animal Kingdom. That is it for this week's Theme Park News in a nutshell. We'll be back next week with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut, Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.